This robot project is comprised of 5 shots. So now that we have set up and put all the lights in place for the project, we can go down making edits to a shot, right from the viewer. In this example, I want to edit a light only for shot 5. I'll give it a more descriptive name. This gaffer only lives on the shot 5 pipe, which is being driven by the shot graph state variable. We can start a live render now and go back to full screen on the viewer. The first thing you notice is that on the upper left corner of the head-up display is that we are now seeing the lights as they are on gaffer for shot 5. If I want to change a light on this level, I can right-click, adopt for editing, and now the controls are open to be changed. I'll make this light red for this shot. Now if I click on the drop-down menu, I can go back to the original gaffer and choose to do sequence level changes. Let's make all lights blue. These changes will propagate to all the shots. On shot 5, we still have that red light because the local override comes later in the recipe. You can right-click on the light and delete Edit Package to default back to the sequence gaffer settings. So to recap, in this series we have learned how to create, place and edit lights for characters in our corridor using different modes and also cloning them. We also learned how to expand the head-up display with the parameters we use the most, and how we can take sequence level lighting and make individual shot changes. Katana 4 allows us artists to really focus on full screen lighting, with less menus and an overall great experience. We can now work much more like a cinematographer on set, making strong, creative and intuitive light decisions. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.